And we got the backside of the bare naked baby. Working on some tummy time here. Oops. Let's get that other arm out. What you gonna do? Hi. The whole point of tummy time is to strengthen those neck muscles. There you go. What do you see under here? There's the bum. There's the bum. Nice chunky legs. Yeah. There's my beautiful girl. Yeah. I bet if I stay quiet, you fall asleep. What do you think? What do you think? Did you scratch your back some? Yeah, you like that. Yeah. Get your legs. Get your legs. Get your back. Yeah. I see you. I see you. What? The camera sees you. Hi. Yeah. Oh, reaching the limits of tummy time. It's pretty good though. Not supposed to do too much at one time. Yep, and that's how you get those legs moving, learning how to start crawling. There you are. There you are. Yeah. There's the bum. Quite a part. Very good. Oops. There's my squirmy girl. Yeah. Yeah. You saying, Mama, get me up? Okay.